Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows multiple findings in a patient, including gallbladder stone, hepatic mass, hepatic metastasis, and an extraperitoneal complex mass. You can see the liver and its metastasis is seen in the upper portion of the left lobe of the liver. Liver metastasis means that cancer is in one part of the body has spread to a person's liver. In these cases, the person has advanced or stage 4 cancer. Prognosis of liver metastasis tends to be poor with a roughly 11% survival rate for 5 years. Now you can see a large hepatic mass in the central portion of the liver. Liver metastases are cancerous tumors that have spread to the liver from another part of the body. These tumors can appear shortly after the original tumor develops or even months or years later. This information is about the metastasis. This description is related to the hepatic metastasis. Now the prognosis for liver metastasis tends to be poor with a roughly 11% survival rate for 5 years. Treatment can help reduce the symptoms and shrink the tumor, but typically there is no cure for liver metastasis. Now you can see a stone in the gallbladder stone. This is the stone. Symptoms of the liver metastasis, that is secondaries in the liver. Symptoms are an overall feeling of weakness and poor health, loss of appetite, weight loss, fever, fatigue, bloating, itching, swelling of the legs, that is edema. Now again you can see the hepatic mass. This mass is round to oval in shape and is semi-solid to solid in consistency. Gallbladder stone is also seen along with a small hepatic metastasis. You will see further in this video a small extraperitoneal complex mass that is causing a bulge in the abdominal cavity. Now the clinical presentation of hepatic metastasis. Liver metastases are usually asymptomatic and found during investigations of malignancy, which has presented in other ways. If the hepatic metastasis burden is large, then the presentation or symptoms related to the liver disease may include localized pain and tenderness due to capsule stretching, disordered liver metabolic functions, ascites, low-grade fever. Again, you can see the hepatic mass, the metastasis, and this mass. You can see the blood flow. The liver also has a rich blood flow normally, but this mass doesn't show any significant blood flow in its interior. Now, one of the main difficulties in hepatic imaging for Metastatic disease is the high prevalence of benign liver lesions that can be misinterpreted as evidence of metastatic disease. This will dramatically change the patient's stage and therefore treatment options. Now you are going to see the large complex extraperitoneal mass, and this mass was seen just above the umbilicus, semi-solid to solid mass, hard mass, but the mass has no communication with the gut loops and it is extraperitoneal. So a bulge was also visible in the area where the mass was present in the umbilical in the area just above the umbilicus. So this is you can see the mass is semi-solid to solid in consistency. Hepatic masses are tumors that had spread to the liver from other areas of the body. All cancer cells mostly have aggressive tendencies, and so they are going to invade other areas of the body. Cancer cells do so by floating in the bloodstream and then replicating themselves in the new place. The liver especially provides a fertile soil for the metastatic spread because of its rich blood supply and the presence of many other factors that promote cell growth. Thanks for watching. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.